When two populations of the same species become geographically isolated, allopatric or geographic speciation can take place. In other instances, a few members of a population cross an existing physical barrier, forming a new isolated population. An example of this took place among populations of picture-winged Drosophila in the Hawaiian Islands, when a small number of fruit flies migrated from an older island, Kauai, to a younger island, Oahu. They founded a new population. The new population differs genetically from the parent population because a small number of founder flies has only an incomplete representation of the genes found in its parent population. As new islands formed, flies migrated to each one in turn. After arriving on a new island, the founder flies bred with each other rather than returning to the island they came from. The new population became physically isolated from the one on the original island. Over time, unique selective pressures in the new environment caused the population to evolve new traits. At some point, these flies will no longer be able to interbreed with the parent population. They have become a new species. More than 800 species of Drosophila exist in the Hawaiian Islands, many of them the product of founder events followed by evolution of the populations over time. The closest relative of a species on one island is often a species on a neighboring island, rather than another species on the same island. Most of these founder events occurred when founder flies traveled from an older island to a younger one, but sometimes flies from a younger island, having evolved into a new species, recolonized an older island. Chromosomal analysis suggests that at least 45 separate founder events contributed to speciation among flies in the Hawaiian Islands. The numbers on the arrows represent the proposed number of founder events between the two islands. The numbers on the islands represent the number of species of picture-winged Drosophila found there.